What's up, everyone? This is Crypto Sophia. Today is April the 6th. It's 12 o'clock noon Eastern time, and we have Ethereum over USD on Bybit. This is a daily chart, guys, so it looks pretty small here, but it's a significant move, and this is why I wanted to catch it. I made it known that I want to catch a move. In fact, I posted this chart as I took the trade. It showed that the current price was 147. It showed that I entered at 145. I actually entered, I'll show you guys on Bybit right here. I actually entered at 146.7 because I entered a little lower and then I added a little more. So 146.7, that was on 13x leverage. So I'm looking at about 10% gain at this point, 9 to 10% gain. So about 150% profit right now, but profit's not profit until you close it, right? So potential profit right now, but I think this is going to go up a lot more. So I showed this trade on Telegram actually yesterday, and if you're not in the Telegram channel, guys, then you're missing out a lot, because here's the Telegram channel. As you can see, I post a lot of charts in the Telegram channel, like a lot more than I can post on YouTube, because I can't share everything on YouTube. So let me go ahead and show you guys. This is the Lion's Den. I named it the world's first free paid group, just as like a trolling type of thing. But yeah, as you can see, we have 1,400 members. This is the Lion's Den channel, and then here's our group chat right here, Lion's Den Coronavirus Survivors Club, just as a little joke. But yeah, we have a lot of members here. We like to joke, we like to learn, we post charts, everything. So yeah, almost 800 members here, 1,400 members here. As you can see, I told you guys last night that I have no clue up or down. I have no clue. It's tough right now to choose. It's weird. All the patterns can be seen as bullish or bearish. I think we'll have a big move soon. I don't know. And I'm looking to long the breakout or short a breakdown. That's all I can say for now. And I showed you guys this chart. If we broke down, I would have shorted. If we broke up, I would have longed. And we broke up. I showed you guys that I was interested in taking a long once we break up there. And we did. I actually did not long Bitcoin. Instead, I longed Ethereum. I showed this chart on Ethereum. I was interested in taking. We didn't hit that yet, so I did not take that. And then later on in the day, or early in the morning, this morning, midnight, I mentioned that I longed Ethereum. US and Ethereum looked good, and I shared the same chart that it's right here. I shared it yesterday, so I did let you guys know earlier than on YouTube. I let you guys know in the Telegram group chat and the Telegram channel. And then this was this morning, some short little updates. I think we'll hit around 200. And here's Bitcoin as well. I think we could possibly get to around 8,000. So that's the goal, guys. Going back to the charts now, a little update on this. As you can see, we pumped up a lot more than the original chart right here. When finding out the target for these ascending this is called an ascending triangle, when the resistance stays pretty much constant while the support is moving higher and higher every time. So that's called an ascending triangle. Elliotticians call it a right-angled triangle, right triangle, but the common name is an ascending triangle. So what you do here is you take a line from the top of the resistance to the bottom, and this is something I do not know actually. I don't know if you take it from here to that support line. As you can see, that's the common support line, or if you take it from the high to the low, because if you take it from the high to the low, it's going to make a significant difference. I mean, oh wait, no, it won't. I mean, it could possibly hit 208, 210. You can see that's the top of this little cluster right here of support, well, resistance now. But if another thing I do is I like to copy and paste this line, this support line, just put it on top of the resistance, and we can see that it's going to hit around 200. So the main area is around 200, 205. So that's the goal basically, and that'll be perfectly linked with this. Another thing is we can take the fib retracement tool and see what we hit from the top to the bottom. And you can see that we'd be hitting at 211, the 0.618. So it's very possible that we wick through that and then dump back down. But that's all just speculation for now. The goal is to at least hit 197. All right. If we hit 197, I'm happy. I'm definitely happy because of where I longed. Well, yeah, you can see it clearly. We'd be at 37. That'd be about 37% profit. So that's why I wanted to take this trade. And I'm noticing, guys, that I'm a lot better at these 4-hour charts and these daily charts than I am at swing trades. I'm pretty good at scalps. I'm a lot better at these swing trades than these scalps, and the patterns are just a lot easier, a lot crisper, and it's more meaningful to take these trades. Like you can see that we were sticking to the top instead of bouncing over here, so it was really bullish. We had this little symmetrical triangle, and it was stuck kind of to the top of the support line. Oh, well, it was the resistance line. Sorry about that. Instead of bouncing off support again, we were pretty bullish, so we broke out. I took that long right there on the breakout, and we're sitting here now. As an update, I think that it's possible we can go up a little more. Maybe not. Maybe we'll start correcting now, but I think we can form some type of wedge or just an ABC correction here. ABC, something like that. I don't know exactly what's going on, but it's possible. I'm not saying close. Some of you guys messaged me earlier today and said I closed. When should I enter? That's ridiculous, guys. This was a swing trade. We're not gonna close it unless stop loss gets hit or target gets hit, and that's how it goes, guys. You got to be disciplined in your trades. So, I mean, typically we want to move typically we want to move stop loss to break even as soon as possible. But once you're clear, you don't close that trade and you don't panic. That's why we plan these trades ahead of time. But anyways, I think that we could have something like this, and then we can continue up, consolidate again into some type of triangle, and then continue up again. Probably end with a ending diagonal. Sorry about the triangles, and then finally fall down. So that's about it, guys. And the same goes for EOS and Bitcoin. As you can see, I showed this on Bitcoin. I think this was a WXY pattern. Sorry, not an ABC, but here's a smaller ABC that created W. This triangle creates X, and then we'll have an ABC move up to possibly 8K. That's a Y, so WXY, and then we come down. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to give you an update. If you guys are interested in the joining these two groups, they're 100% free for now. So check the description in these YouTube videos. They're gonna have the link to join Bybit, so you can trade with the Lions. They're gonna have the link to the Telegram group chat, so you can chat with us, share charts, learn all that good stuff. And it's gonna have the link to the Lions Den, so you can learn with us. All right, guys. So that's about it for today. Hopefully this has helped you guys in some way. And if it has, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you guys can get all these videos as soon as I post them. And last but not least, make sure you comment below and ask for more videos or say whatever you want. Just stop by and say hi. But that's about it. Peace, guys.